So let's get right to it. The Hero 11 has 10-bit color. That's right, it's an upgrade from 8-bit. But is it really that noticeable? Well, I'm here at the Botanical Gardens here in Brisbane to just see, because it's springtime in Australia and the flowers, well, they're not quite blooming quite yet, but we'll do our best.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger, click that button right there. I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus some coupon codes for some great accessories and a surprise link. And I have the Hero 10, which is 8-bit color, side by side with the Hero 11, which is 10 bits of color. I have both of these set on 5K 60 frames per second, but the Hero 11 is set on 10-bit color and also natural, and the Hero 10 is on 8-bit. Well, I mean, it's just always on 8-bit, and it's on natural color as well. All right, so I'll keep these side by side and give you about 5 seconds of each shot so you can see any differences. Now, right away from me, looking back on this, I can see so much more color shades in the shadows, which also gives the overall image much more detail. Now, for the most part, it might be hard to see any big differences. However, like if I freeze the shot and zoom in, just look at this. You get so much more fine details in the Hero 11 picture. It just looks so much better. So keep that in mind. Like in this one, you can see the color of the sky. It looks a lot more natural on the Hero 11. So now I'm gonna let the rest of these play out so you can just have a look for yourselves and see if it makes a big difference. And do let me know down in the comments if you see anything noticeable. definitely does have the color a lot sharper. Like, you have to really get into it to kind of see the details. If you're just looking at it from your phone or like an old monitor or something like that, you probably won't see the difference too much. But this was great for somebody that might be into painting or snorkeling or something that has to do with a lot of color. Maybe you're a florist. Also, I'm thinking sunsets at the beach might look a lot better, but stay tuned to this channel because I'll test that out thoroughly very soon. But I leave it up to you. Let me know in the comments if you think the 10-bit color makes a difference from your viewing eyes. Also, let me know what you're viewing it on, because that would be interesting to kind of see the comparison. And yeah, all right, lots more coming up on this channel, so do stay tuned. And I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Black?